Wasn't it the first thing on your bucket list to know how to add a network printer? Well, either way, I'll show you two ways to do that. A simple way and a professional one. Every printer on a professional business network will, or actually should, be installed on a server. That server will be managing the printer's print queue. As a client, you just need to add this printer to your Windows and start printing. All you need to know is the server name and the printer name. Press the Windows key plus R and type \\, followed by the server name. This will open a window displaying all the visible shared resources on this server. Double-clicking the printer will automatically install it and its drivers on your computer. But here's the thing. In this scenario, the printer is not actually fully installed on your computer. In fact, it only installs a shortcut to the printer's queue, which is located on the server. Every time you print, the print request will go to the queue on the server and from there will be sent to the printer. Let me show you another method to install a network printer. To successfully implement this method, you need to know the IP address of the printer. In most cases, using this information, you could install the printer directly on your computer, bypassing the network server. There are multiple reasons to why to install the printer directly. One example is if a specific computer has errors while installing the printer through the server. A more direct approach would be advised until you find a more permanent solution.
Please subscribe.
Click Start and type Printers. Click Printers and Scanners here, and then click Add Device. Click Add Manually to start the manual process. As you can see here, there are multiple ways to identify the printer. In this scenario, I'm using this option. Click it and click Next. Choose the TCP/IP option from the list, type the printer's IP address here and click Next. If you see this screen and are not sure what to choose, just ignore it for now and click Next. Choose a driver from the list or click here to point to the location of the driver on your disk and click Next. If you already have the selected driver installed on your computer, you will see this window and should choose either to use the driver that's currently installed or to replace the current driver. The reinstall option works well if the installed driver is not working well. It's important to mention that if you have additional printers installed on this computer that are using the same driver, reinstalling the driver will affect these printers too. Make your choice and click Next. Give the printer a name and click Next. If you choose to share the printer, in this window you will need to provide a share name. Other people on the local network will then see this printer as a network resource. They could use your computer as a server and install this printer on their computer. In that case, your computer will be managing the print queue for those users. This will be consuming resources on your computer, so choose wisely and click Next. Click Finish to complete the installation process. And here you go! The printer is installed on your computer using the manual installation process. You can always get more knowledge if you watch this video next.